I forgot. It cost around $5 US. Oh, again, no bubbles. What is the problem? Ooh. Let's open. And for those who want to search it for online, the model is HU06076A Electromagnetic Swing Making Kit. We have all parts, screws, nuts. Ooh, we have also a cable, the instruction manual. Nice. Oh, they also include a schematic. Why kids, it's so satisfying placing the electronic components. As you can see, first I'm placing the resistors. Okay, I'm doing a great job so far. I have placed and soldered the LEDs, the capacitors and the resistors. The next electronic component are these 5 transistors. Come on, man. Okay. We have 2 switches. One is for main power on off and the second one is for the LEDs turning on. The DC connector, and I'm gonna place this part right here. Time for adding the transparent piece. I'm gonna tie it up with some screws. Looking beautiful, and the last part is placing the swing. Okay. If you are not satisfied with the magnet swinging, try to adjust the Hall sensor. Okay. Whoa! And take a look. Start working. Yes! Take a look. It's fast. Whoa! I will try to stop it. And it starts over. Beautiful. You need to adjust the sensor a little bit. Whoa, whoa. Take a look. Now I'm gonna turn off the studio light so we can see in darkness. Turning on. Whoa! And what do you think? With those flashing LEDs, we got a swinging. Whoa, this is too much. He starts to spin like a propeller. Take a look. Whoa! Maybe the Hall sensor is pretty close to the magnet. Take a look. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take a look what he's doing. He's spinning in circles. That is too much for this and a little bit dangerous. Whoa. I need to adjust the sensor a little bit on the back. Now let's start. Yes, this is more cool. And it will start again. Yes. This is fun project. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna stop it and adjust the sensor a little bit on the back. Let's see now. Okay. Oh, the package is a little bit beaten. Take a look. All right. Instruction manual, I don't need it. So we have Type A USB connector on the one side. Take a look at these. These are magnetic contacts. I can see only the LED inside this. Inside one of these holes there is no button at all, and here it is, the 18650 lithium battery, and using these terminals, and they are marked with positive and negative. Of course the negative go to negative like this, and you have a charger, a very quick charger for lithium batteries. Of course the USB you wanna plug into the power brick. It is the USB meter or USB doctor, and on this thing we're gonna monitor how much current is pulling this guy for charging the lithium battery. Let's power on. Oh yes, can you see that we have a green light, but it's not connected, it's not pulling any current. And by the way, when they are attached, they are not touching itself with the contacts. They have opposite polarities, which is nice. This is positive, going to positive, and this one is negative. And take a look. Now we have, can you see that? Red light, meaning charging. And how much current is pulling? 920 milliamperes. Little bit drop to 870 milliamperes, meaning that this is charging the battery with above 1 ampere, because it says output 4.2 volts, maximum 1.5 ampere, but the power adapter need to be at least 2 amperes. Remember that. And probably when will be fully charged the battery, the red will go green. Okay, let's try with another battery. This one is called 18650 and this one is called 14500. It's also a lithium 3.7 volt battery, and let's try this one. Negative to negative, positive to positive, and take a look, because this one is pretty empty. It's pulling 1.5 amperes, and the voltage little bit drop, but never mind. It's doing a great job, this charger. And as I said, I like it because of the magnetic terminals. You can attach it to any rechargeable lithium battery. Beautiful. Love this product. By the way, this will be in description below, but with different brand, because this one sold out and I do not have the link. Sorry about that. Oh, I need to assemble. Beautiful. Bubbles. As you can see, some of the parts need to be assembled. The front and the back panel. I have the instruction manual, the screws. You can choose red or blue. We have USB input right here. You can also plug in micro USB connector right here. This is buck boost converter, step up, step down, and the voltage will be displayed right here on this LED display. We have two buttons. What it says? We have two LEDs. The first LED indicates power on, the second LED is for constant current indication. We have two multi-turn potentiometer for adjusting the voltage and the current. Take a look how beautiful looks this gadget. With that blue color and everything assembled with the front and back panel. This is art, beautiful art. I like gadgets like this one. Okay, let's plug in 3, 2, 1. And yes, working fine. It's beautiful rechargeable digital multimeter with auto function. And on the USB power gadget, right here we have the output on these terminals. And what it says 30 volts exactly. But right here we have 29.8 volts. It's close, it's good. Power on, and the voltage drop, because the constant current is powered on, indicating with the LED. I'm gonna give more amps with the multi-turn potentiometer, constant current, little bit more, 6 volts I think. Yes, 6 volts, and it's pulling 920 milliamperes, watts, 5.5 watts, 6 volts. To test the short protection, yes, working great. Take a look. Alright. I have DC input voltage of 5 volts and output of 30 volts. Okay, this go right here. Whoa. Oh, it's opposite. Okay. And yes. And this LED chip is pulling 0.04 amperes at 30 volts. This LED chip works on 36 volts, but is pulling 1.1 watt at 29.7 volts. Oh, bubbles, no. Alright. More. Oh, it's metal and I like it. The instruction manual, I need to read it. Oh, so satisfying. So from one side we have male Type-C connector, and on other we have female, and on top we have 5 buttons. One of them is switch for powering off and on. We have left, right, OK, and back. What it says: model KWS-X1, voltage from 4 to 30 volts, current from 0 to 12 amperes. Nice. Support quick charge, PD and PPS. Powering in 3, 2, 1. Oh, take a look at that color display. And it's much bigger than this model that I have, which is also a Type-C tester, but the screen is very smaller. Okay, the link for this product will be in description below. And by the way, if you are looking for the best deals on AliExpress, I got some exclusive discount codes for both US and global shoppers to help you save some serious cash. And don't pay the full price. Grab your promo code from the links in description below and start some savings. Okay, just check the description below. And before I explain all the stuff that are displayed on the screen, take a look. This thing have built-in G sensor, and without pressing any buttons, when you rotate, the screen is rotating also. Isn't that nice feature? Beautiful. So using these 4 buttons on the top, plus one which is switch for powering off and on, we have back, OK, left and right. With the arrows left and right, you can cycle through 3 pages. Alright, and this is the main page where you can see the voltage, the amperes, the watts. Also you can monitor the maximum volts, maximum amperes, maximum watts, and take a look at this. It shows the temperature of the core of the microprocessor inside this thing. Power on. Oh, it's pulling 1.1 ampere. The voltage little bit dropped to 4.87, 5 watts. I'm gonna increase the amperes using this blue thing called multi-turn potentiometer. I can adjust the current for the electronic load, and right now we are pulling 2 amperes, and as I told you, with the arrows on the top of the tester you can monitor the maximum voltage, maximum amperes, maximum watts, and also the temperature of the core. And here it is, the bar graph that I tell you. Take a look now. I lower the current, and also the current bar graph is going down. I'm gonna go up. Nice. Also we have some icons that the tester is working this way. Probably this tester is a two-way. The battery holder, the electronic components, the electromagnetic coil, the acrylic case that we have here, the instruction manual step by step, the printed circuit board, bubbles. I got some bubbles, and you know I love bubbles, popping bubbles. In the instruction manual, first it says that we need to solder and place the resistors, then the diodes. Okay, by the way, everything is marked on the printed circuit board, which component goes where. These are 10 kilo ohm resistors. Alright. Is it this way? Yes. Should be. Oh no, it's laid down, to be laid down. It says like this. That's why we need instruction. Acrylic pieces. So the wires from the main PCB go through the acrylic piece on the electromagnetic PCB board. And what do you think? Turned out pretty cool. An electromagnetic shooter. And yes, in the kit you will receive these magnetic bullets. Oh! Beautiful. Can I launch a screw? Let's try it. Fire! Oh! This is super fun. Loading with 2 metal bearings and try it. Yes! It's 5-in-1 M2 SSD case, NVMe SATA Dual protocol, M2 to USB Type-C adapter, disk box USB-C splitter, and it cost around $16 US. And what is great about this product, besides that is a USB hub, you can plug in micro SD card, SD card, you can plug in USB drives, and also you can place a M2 SSD storage, which is nice. So that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. And later I'm gonna open this small box, and what is that? We're gonna find out. Oh, no bubbles, and take a look how tight it is. Alright. Whoa. Nothing more. The instruction manual, some kind of sticker. Oh, we have two kind of USB cables. One of them is Type C to Type C, the other one is Type C to Type A. And also we have this. What is this for? We're gonna find out. Nothing more. Come on. Sticker. I hate stickers. Oh, it's metal. This part right here is metal, and this smaller part, it's a plastic. On the top we have the Type C connector with small hole, probably for LED indication. We have two USB ports, USB 1, USB 2, one TF card, micro SD card slot, and SD card. And as I oh, you need to press it. Oh, and right here it goes the SSD hard drive. I'm gonna use this for storage for my movies, maybe music, nothing important. Oh, it comes with a tiny screwdriver and some screws. I'm gonna remove this sticker. Alright. And I need to place it like this. First I'm gonna touch it. Be gentle. Oh, click. Now I need to press it. Oh, nice. Because this one is metal, the hard drive should make a contact with the metal surface for better cooling. And to add it like this. Wow! If I place the silicone gel right here, you can see that it's not making very tight contact with the metal surface. So that's why I'm gonna split the gel at half and make a double layer. Alright. Oh, nice. Now it's much better. Okay, time for testing. After disk management settings and setting up the new volume of the hard disk, I'm gonna plug in right now, and here it is. SSD 256 gigabytes. I'm gonna open. I'm gonna copy one file of 1 gigabyte, and I'm gonna activate a stopwatch. Start. In 3.5 seconds, 1 gigabyte of of video was transferred. Did you see that? Wow! I'm pretty amazed. Let's try another one. This one is 1.9 gigabytes. What it says? 380 megabytes per second. Okay, it's connected. Take a look. Open. And there are the two videos that I copied just a moment ago. Open. Best 7. That need to be connected here and plug in the pumps. Beautiful. Let's try the other one. What we have. Beautiful. And now you can transfer files from your phone to the SSD storage. And yes, bubbles finally. Oh. Ooh. I must pop all of them. Speed up. All finished. Okay, that was fun. And here it is, the module, and looking beautiful. 2 programmable buttons, 1 temperature and humidity sensor, that is this blue thing. Also we have LM35 temperature sensor, we have photoresistor right here, infrared LED, RGB programmable LEDs, potentiometer, buzzer, a lot of pins, and this thing is compatible with Arduino Uno board, and it goes just like this. Perfect. DHT1 serial test. Yes! Humidity 42%, temperature 21 degrees. And here it is, the DHT11 sensor that can read temperature and humidity, and it works perfect. What it says, infrared receiver test ready. And if I take the remote control and press any button, take a look. We have the protocol, the hex code, and the command. You can receive any code from the remote control. Take a look. Isn't that nice? And I'm gonna touch it on pin number D8, just like this. And I have already read the 2 functions for going up and down for the servo, and insert it into the code, and take a look what I can do using the remote control. I can control the servo using my remote control. Isn't that nice? And you can see that right now we have red light. Turn it on, meaning that is picking up some light from my studio lights. But when I cover the photoresistor, it goes blue. So it detects the light and the darkness. And using the potentiometer with rotating, I will control the servo. Take a look. Isn't that nice? So simple. Just upload the code, make some changes in the code, upload it to the board, and voila, you can control stuff just like this one. And in the code is writing a song from Darth Vader, of course. And when I press the button, it plays a sound on the buzzer. Beautiful! Alright, so I test all electronic components on the expansion board, and everything working fine. And of course, I got it. Oh, no bubbles. Sorry guys. And it's only wrapped in zip bag. Come on. We have the remote control, the wires, the module, and here it is, a white one. So as you can see, We have the display right here in the middle. We have the infrared receiver, okay, the USB for playing some MP3 songs, and also we have a USB for charging. We want to check that. TF card slot. We have aux, and we have 5 buttons at the bottom: previous, volume, play, next, volume up, repeat, and mode. And take a look at behind the printed circuit board. The Bluetooth antenna. We have 3 connectors. One of them is for powering the module, and the other 2 are for the left and right speaker. Okay, and it's produced 2021. They are selling this thing almost 5 years, and probably it's good. Okay, time to connect everything and to hear it how it sounds. And this should be a voltage regulator, and yes, it's a voltage regulator 78M05, and that is 100% voltage regulator. And let's see it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, high BT Bluetooth, and it's flashing. Oh, we have a small LED Voltmeters on the sides. Okay, this is the FM receiver, aux, Bluetooth, and back to the FM receiver. Another module, which is amplifier, of course, and take a look now. Play. Oh, the amplifier is not turned on, sorry. Let's change the song. This one. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about the sound. So right now we are listening to music from a MP3 SD card that is inserted into the module. Volume up. Control your smartphone using the remote control through the MP3 module, which is awesome. Equalizer, pop, rock, jazz, classic. So for around $3 or maybe more, depends on where you are living and from where you are ordering this module, this thing is awesome, and I can't believe it that they produce such a good thing for low price.